Matching sequence settings. Ideally, the frame size, frame rate, and Kodak of a master file will closely match the sequence it's based on. It can seem like a lot of settings to think about when creating a new exported media file. Thankfully, Premiere Pro makes matching your sequence or original clip settings easy. Continue working with the Review Copy sequence. With the sequence selected in the Project panel or open in the Timeline panel, with the panel active with a blue outline, choose File Export Media. The Export Settings dialog box opens. You can also press Command-M on Mac or Control-M on Windows. You will learn more about this dialog box later. For now, select the Match Sequence Settings option. Click the blue text to choose a name and location for your exported media file. Choose the target location. For now, use the exports folder you created earlier. Name the file Review Copy 01. Don't worry about the file extension, it will be added automatically. And click Save. Review the summary information to check that the output format matches the sequence settings. In this case, you should be using DN x HD media at 29.97 FPS. The summary information is a quick, easy reference that helps you avoid minor errors that can have big consequences. If the source and output summary settings match, it minimizes conversion, which helps maintain the quality of the final output. When exporting a sequence, the sequence itself is the source in the export dialog box, not the clips inside the sequence, because these will have already been conformed to the sequence settings. Click the Export button to create a media file based on the sequence.